Today I'm going to show you how to get your cell phone to charge. First, you're going to remove the battery from your phone, cellular phone, and you're going to take a safety pin, right? And then you are going to look at the power input slot for your phone and take the safety pin and pick out the lint. There will be chunks of lint, especially if you keep your phone within inside of your pocket. After you've taken care of this by getting the clunks of lint from out of the corners and crevices of your power input of your cellular phone, you should be able to get your phone to charge properly. Do you see the lint coming out? There's pockets of lint coming out of the phone cavity. And this is how you get your phone to charge properly, by getting the lint outside of the phone input. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks a lot for watching.